What's up, besties? It's Ashley with AMCX Studio, and if you got a craft machine for the holidays and you are looking to make money with that machine, this is a video you're going to want to watch all the way through, because let's be honest here, those supplies, that machine, what a huge investment that is, and we need to fund our hobbies and our projects for the rest of the year. I'm going to tell you about some local things that you can participate in, as well as shipping internationally in some huge marketplaces that I personally recommend, and some that I know of that you can start bringing in that money. The first thing that we're going to go over is local. What a better way to get involved in your community than selling your handmade items in your neighborhood. You can go onto Facebook, because we know you've been there. It's all over your app. It's all over your phone. We know that you frequently scroll through Facebook. Take 5 minutes, stop scrolling, and start posting. Type in Swip Swap in your area and it'll pull up a bunch of different Facebook groups. You can then start posting your finished product, make sure those images are good in those groups, and start getting local attention for your crafts. Reach out to schools in your area, talk to them about participating in fundraisers and PTA, get involved, find different ways that you can start bringing in money and supporting the local school district, because you know that they need help. Another local thing that you can do is swing by your flea markets. Every single weekend in Daytona, for us at least, the Daytona Beach Flea Market has a thing every single weekend, and you can go there and you can sell your handmade items. Some flea markets I know offer electricity, so if you wanted to pack your cricut along with you, you can make handmade items right there on site and honestly blow the customer's mind. Who doesn't love watching those in progress TikTok videos? I know that I have been sucked into that so many times. How cool would it be for your customers to see what you can do in real time? It's an awesome way to offer personalized walkout items immediately. Another local thing that you can do are events. There's Easter events, Halloween events, 4th of July things. Get involved in that stuff. Figure out if they offer vendors to come out and set up booths. Get the prices on that, and well, go out there, start putting yourself out there, because no one is gonna hustle more for your business than you. You know the level of effort that went into your items, you know the level of care that went into those things. Get out there, start putting yourself out there, get your story told. People will be excited to see you and to hear your story. Now, if you want to step up the ante and go a little bit bigger, I recommend Etsy as a marketplace. Etsy has been a huge game changer for me and for my family. It funded our entire life for the last 2 years. My husband actually quit his job a couple years ago, and we've been running off of the money that I've generated from Etsy, and it's been huge. It's life changing. It does take work. There are transaction fees and processing fees and listing fees and stuff, but the reach that you have and the potential that you'll have on that platform is astronomical. It is a worldwide marketplace, so you can start shipping in your area, in your state. You can even ship things to Canada and France. I've done Australia even. That was so cool. Another marketplace that you can check out if you want to stay away from Etsy is Amazon Handmade. Now, I personally could not figure out Amazon Handmade to save my life. I think I might have gotten one item listed up there, but it's just because Etsy is so easy to list onto that the process of Amazon Handmade was overwhelming for me. But if you start on Amazon Handmade and then you go to Etsy, it might be a lot easier. There's also classes and courses and different walkthroughs. I just did not personally have the time when I opened up my Amazon Handmade account to go through and sit through all of that stuff. But I do know that it's a viable option for you if you are interested in selling your items on a marketplace and you want to avoid Etsy. Another option for shipping your items is Facebook Marketplace. Yeah, I know that I already mentioned Facebook in the local area, but you can actually ship your items on Facebook as well. Just type in that information while you're listing your products in the Facebook Marketplace, and they will let the customers know that, hey, this item is available for shipping. The last thing that you can do is create your own site. If you really just want to dominate, if you are all in on your Cricut crafting journey and you're like, I got this, no matter what it takes, I got this, you can start your own website. Now with that does come some extra fees like hosting, creating the domain, creating the website itself. It is a lot more work than everything else, but that is something that you own. It's yours and nothing can change that. Like Etsy right now is actually under fire for raising their listing fees and their transaction fees and things like that, and that's something that could happen again in the future. Now I'm fully for Etsy. I'm not even saying that I'm not, but it does kind of hurt the heart a little bit when you get the email saying, hey, we're raising our rates. So if you want to avoid things like that in the future, your website is the way to go. If you don't have the money right now in order to invest in a website, because that's what a website is, it is an investment. I tell you this from the bottom of my heart, working on like my third or fourth website right now, it's an investment and it's work. But if you don't want to do that, you should at the very least start an email list. And if you guys need more information on that, just let me know in the comments below. So what do you think? Which one is your favorite marketplace? Do you know of other places that people can sell at? Comment down below and let us know. Your Cricut crafting creative group would love to feast on your knowledge and share that information. I hope you guys have a wonderful weekend. I will see you guys later. Bye.